The cured-in-place pipelining system using the light ray UV method allows your sewer line to be fully rehabilitated and back to working condition in less than a day. First, a small but powerful video camera is inserted into your pipes to assess any problems like cracks and root intrusion. Then, we remove any roots and scale buildup by using a high-speed rotary chain cleaner that moves down the pipe, grinding away any obstructions. Remaining debris is washed away through hydrojetting, which uses highly pressurized water to scrub the interior of the pipes. For localized pipe damage, the Light Ray LR3, the next generation of UV casting, is fitted with a 5-foot UV light packer, wrapped with a liner that hardens under UV light exposure. The liner is then pulled or pushed into place, and the packer is inflated, pressing the liner against the interior of the damaged pipe. The packer's UV light casts or hardens the liner in minutes, sealing all cracks and connections. The packer is then removed, leaving the finished pipe patch. For lining longer sections or an entire pipe, the UV-sensitive liner with internal cal tube is coiled inside an inversion drum. Next, the starting end of the liner is securely fastened to the inversion drum nozzle, making an airtight seal. Air pressure pushes or inverts the flexible liner and cal tube or air bladder down the pipe. As the liner inverts down the pipe, the UV light trin is also pulled in from the insertion unit. Once in place, the UV light train lights up, casting and hardening the liner in minutes, making a seamless and durable pipe within a pipe. The cal tube is then deflated and removed. A final camera inspection confirms that trenchless sewer repair will rehabilitate and structurally reinforce your existing pipes to last decades.